and good morning. I'm Dr. Deuk, CEO and founder of the Deuk Spine Institute here near Orlando, Florida, on the Space Coast. I'm here with one of my patients who traveled from Boston for his lower back to get it fixed with the Deuk laser disc repair. Your surgery was just yesterday.
Yes.
And we sent you home an hour after your surgery, and you're back today for a checkup. How are you feeling today?
Feel good. A little soreness from the injection that you gave me. I had 3 locations, so naturally I'd be sore. But feel pretty good. Feel good. Pain's not the same pain like I had before. I'd be afraid to walk because that pain in the spine would come and I'd fall.
Yeah.
You know?
So you don't have that pain anymore?
No.
It's gone.
It's gone.
We cured you.
It's amazing.
Yeah, it is amazing.
I was very skeptical in the beginning. I live near Boston. I have the best doctors in the world. They wouldn't help me. They couldn't do anything.
Well, they did. They did a fusion.
Yeah.
But it didn't work, did it?
Didn't work. I was in more pain after the fusion than before the fusion.
Yeah. You can see in the video right here that he's got screws and rods and cages. And we actually went into the L45 disc where he had a cage, and it turned out it was a little loose, hadn't really fused properly. But that disc was causing him pain, as well as the L34 and the L23. The problem with fusions is people go through a massive trauma from the surgery with scar tissue and bleeding and pain, and then they don't really work. And so you came here, you had the Deuk laser disc repair. You can see we made a small 7mm incision, actually 2 of them, and we were able to repair those 3 discs, including the L45, and now that pain is
Virtually gone.
gone.
A little soreness here and there. Your mind hasn't acknowledged that you're not in pain. So any little pain you have, you're still afraid that you're going to fall down, but you're not, because the pain's not there.
We've been doing this 16 years. I've never had a patient where we didn't get rid of that pain. It's gone, every single patient. But people do have other causes of pain, other aches and pains, sometimes from facet joints or SI joints, and we have to identify that and treat it sometimes. So what are you going to do now that your back pain's gone?
Go fishing. Do things that I couldn't do. I couldn't even walk for more than 25, 30 feet. I had to sit down. I'd have to stop. I couldn't do anything. I'd go, even grocery shopping. I'd have to come home, try to put the stuff away, and then relax, lie down for a while. It was just too much pain.
You've been dealing with this for 40 years. I know that.
Yeah.
It's gotten worse over the last few years. You've tried shots, you've tried surgery, including fusion. They didn't work, and now the pain is gone. And I know you told me that you want to do something. You want to go get a boat, right?
Yeah.
What kind of boat you have in mind?
Well, it's a rare boat. It was only made for 4 years. I'm looking at one. It's in New York, and it's a North Coast. And my kids think I'm crazy, but you have to do what you want to do.
Oh, of course. And now you can. What is special about a North Coast boat?
It was made by this boat builder called Charles Janus. For its time, it was really wide for a 24-footer. Handles the water like a 28-footer. And during the depression in early 90s, we had a depression, recession, and people stopped buying boats because they didn't have the money. And they went out of business. This boat's 40 years old, and they still want to buy it.
Good for you.
Yeah.
So you're going to celebrate the fact you no longer have back pain.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
It's unbelievable. It's really an unbelievable experience coming here. Everybody's nice. They're not under pressure. They're happy with what they do. It's not like a regular hospital.
Well, thank you. I appreciate that. Anything you want to say to your fans out there?
Fans, well, just believe what I'm telling you. This place is incredible.
Thank you.
Dr. Deuk's amazing. He's a very smart doctor, and you can put your trust in him.
I appreciate you saying that, sir. It means a lot to me. Safe travels.
Thank you.
I hope you get your boat and you enjoy the rest of your life like you're supposed to.
Yeah, I felt like I was in prison. In my own house, I couldn't do anything.
Because of the back pain.
Yeah.
Well, it's gone now.
No, it still has to sink in that I'm not in pain, but I'm not.
Awesome. All right, very good.
Thank you.
All right.